Alright, today, let's see, there's a couple of things I could do today. I could go to Salt Lake and look at some of the baddest rides for my Fly Ride Wednesday video. Or I could sit here in this parking lot and look at some okay rides for my Fly Rides Wednesday video. Or I could go downtown to look at some badass women for my upcoming Badass Women of Fort Worth video. But really can't do that these days because the hashtag Me Too and Time's Up movement, you know, make looking at women almost a crime. But I'm gonna do it any damn way. And I kind of also want to go look at some Land Rovers. I seen a Land Rover, a Range Rover. I seen a bad Land Rover yesterday, and I haven't seen it at the car lot, so I might go do that. But in any case, right now, I'm in the mood for a big, juicy, thick Kincaid hamburger, and that's what we're gonna do. We as and me and my big gut Lynette. Let me send a shout out to some people that I haven't shouted out in a while. Cool ass Lynette, always watching the videos. We got Monica, Renee. Renee is always giving some good pointers and comments, and you know, we like to battle each other. See who can curse the most on Facebook. I can't say she wins, but she don't really lose either. Shout out to Maryland. I'll never forget a lot of people that started watching my videos. My sister Jean, rest in peace, who was a big fan. My nephew Chris, Tony, shout out fellas. Y'all kicking it in Memphis, Bluff City. Y'all be careful down there in that junk. My nephew Nicholas, who don't watch shit but his pockets. It's all about the money with that dude, but I feel you. I feel you. Who else? I'm gonna shout out to a bunch of people, man, because I know I'm forgetting people. Pretty much anybody that has watched the video, commented, liked, subscribed, whatever. Give you a shout out, man. Appreciate that. It's you'll be surprised at how many people say they support you, but then they really don't. For whatever reason, you know, you curse too much, or you say this, or you got this going, and you talk. You know what? Do you, man? But if you looked at any of my videos, you liked them, you commented on them, or you just looked at them and moved on, that's cool. I appreciate that. So, shout out to my friends. Plans for the day have been just all jacked up. Changing a flat tire on the Corvette is kind of a nightmare. They don't give you any, there's no tools to come with changing the flat. There's no sockets, all you get is a wheel lock. There's no jack, you know, because it's got run flats. Now that's all fine and good, run flats. But everybody don't fix run flats, and every run flat can't be fixed. So let's say if I'm on the road going to, I don't know, anywhere. Let's say Memphis. Between Texas and Memphis, there's a whole lot of small little places. Discount tires kind of in a lot of those places, but there are a lot of places that they don't even want to jack up a Corvette, let alone try to fix the damn tire. And so you're probably going to be stuck with trying to buy a new tire. And while you're out on the road. So that's definitely a drawback to owning a car with very expensive tires. Now I got a car warranty and wheel warranty, so you know, tire wheel jack up, they get repaired free or replaced. But that wouldn't do you any good on the road. I just happened to be, you know, maybe a few miles from my home when I ran over a nail or big ass screw over this big ass screw. I don't know what I did with it. But let's just say you're on the road and that happens. You kind of ass out. And then the guy says it's a 3-hour wait to fix the tire. So who got 3 hours on a Saturday to wait to fix a tire? So I think what I'm gonna do is go home, take the tire off, drop it off, and I'll pick it up Monday. Or I have my daughter pick it up Monday and just put it in her trunk or something. Because I'm not waiting 3 hours to get no tire fix. Unless I can go somewhere else and get it done. But discount tires, since I have bought all my tires from there for all my other cars I got, they do free flat repairs, even on run flats. So that's good. But today has pretty much gone down the tube, so I think we're gonna, after I get this tire fixed, I'm gonna go to the house and watch some videos and eat some ho-hos. Not hoes, but ho-hos. Cupcakes. All you nasty-minded people. But yeah, that sucker is definitely gone. Plus, I don't want to drive back over there on the tire again anyway. Like, she digging that. She digging the hell out of them bullets in her nose. I do appreciate run flats though, because I've been driving on this car and it drives like normal. I mean, I can't, you know, bust out 100 on it, but just doing this little back and forth driving. But this has been kind of a challenge, you know. First thing I shouldn't have did was I shouldn't have pulled the plug out like the guy told me. But it didn't look like it was that deep, so that was a dumb move. But then I started to drive over here, then I drove back home, decided I'd just take the wheel off and drop it off. Then only to find out I don't have any tools that actually fit the lug nuts on this car. I mean, I got the socket, I got the wrench, but I don't have a 3/4 inch extension bar so I can get in there and take it off. I got the jack to jack it up, and so it's all kind of a